He was an American musician, songwriter, best known as the drummer of the metal band Slipknot, as well as guitarist for the horror punk band Murder Dolls. His family. His mother named Jackie Jordison. His father named Steve Jordison. He had not been previously engaged. He had been in relationship with Abbey Franklin 2004, Lexa Vaughn, Kim Dayla, Syria Jade. He had been in relationship with Amanda Victoria. Dating history. He had two sisters. Sister names Anne Jordison and Kate Jordison. He had an estimated net worth of $5 million. He was born in Des Moines, US. He was born on April 26, 1975. He grew up in rural area outside of the Wiki, where he used to play basketball on the street in front of his house. Year of active 1991 to 2021. He embraced music at an early age, which he attributes to his parents' influence. They always sat me down in front of radio rather than the TV, also known as the Super Bowl. He played guitar until receiving his first drum kit as a gift from his parents at age of 8 and started his first band while in elementary school. His parents divorced when he was young. His mother remarried and set up funeral parlor where Jordison would occasionally help. So played at the bowling center his family owned on a night calling Bowlorama. After leaving school, he was hired by a local music store called Musicland. On November 28, 1995, Mark Anthony approached him while he was working, offering him a position in a new project called The Pale Ones. In 2002, he revived his band, The Rejects, renamed them The Murder Dolls. Of the eventual 9 members, he was the third to join the band. Slipknot would become pioneers to a new wave of American heavy metal. In April 2013, details emerged of a new band featuring Jordison, Jade Simon, and Chris Norris. On June 21, the band was named Car the Martyr. and the vocalist name as a Henry Derek. May 5th, 2016, he announced that the project had been disbanded. On May 5th, 2016, he announced in an interview on the Sirius XM that he had launched a new band called Vimic. On May 20, 2016, he announced a new extreme metal band, Sensunum. In 2001, he worked on a remix of the Fight song by the Marilyn Manson. He also appeared in the music video for the Manson's cover of the Tainted Love. 2004, he appeared on OTP's album House of the Secrets, drumming on 6 tracks of the album. 2010, he recorded 4 additional songs with The Robe for the re-release of his latest album, Hellbilly Deluxe 2. He performed with other bands solely as a touring member. In 2006, he joined the Mystery for their Masterbird Tour 2006, which consisted of 60 dates across the US and Canada. With Slipknot, he performed on 4 studio albums and producing the live album 9.0 Live. He was also known for his session work, which includes performances on many albums for many artists. He used several drum bands including Pearl and Rhythm. For his death, he was playing for the band Sensunum. July 26, 2021, he died in his sleep at the age of 46.